Hi everybody. In the last video, we looked at the laws of chaos. They're as important to the functioning of nature as the laws of physics. But up till now, they've sat on the shelf unused as the most misunderstood part of science. But we put them together with physics by saying it's the exchange of information, relationships, emergent relationships, which emerge in between components so they can't be quantified like physics. And now we're going to look at complexity, self-organizing systems. The universe is only made of systems which self-organize into more and more complexity, ever greater diversity, complexity, and efficiency. So we need to look at systems. In the last video, we saw how physical matter transcends energy, the second law of thermodynamics, and starts with emergent relationships in which you don't need to consider the second law of thermodynamics. So we're going to look at the simplest system, the solar system, and look at the motion of bodies under gravity. Two bodies in space is classical physics. That's Newton. They move around each other in an ellipse. And that's all you get in this physics book. Just an ellipse. No solar system. It's not in the chaos book either. Three bodies in space, the Earth, the Sun and the Moon, wobble because the Earth and the Moon wobble around each other. And physics doesn't do wobbly. So the three-body problem, as it has become to be known, needs a solution. Three equal-sized bodies in space are completely chaotic. That needs an explanation. And the solar system is anything but ellipses. To get regular orbits, you need a giant body, the Sun, or a gas giant, lots of tiny bodies, moons and planets, and they will all harmonize with rings. The Sun's rings, the asteroid belt. And the harmonization of the bodies. That's not physics. It's music. Three moons of Jupiter, which harmonize in a 4-2-1 ratio. The 4, the 2 and the 1 are not physics. They're pure mathematics. And as we've seen in the earlier videos, the universe is driven by mathematical rules. When you see pi in Einstein's field equations, it's telling you something. It's matter and space behaving to mathematical rules. So the solar system has a governance of a giant body, and all the small bodies then harmonize each other by communicating through the properties of space, gravity. And when it gets into the most efficient way to be, it stops. Well, that's the solar system. That's a very simple physical system. But now we need to go and look at biology. Anything but a simple, complex system. That's coming up in the next video. We'll see you next time.